lot of accidents on the road. I can say as we were driving up here to Haverhill, we saw a lot of them, and a lot of them were actually into the guardrail. So just be sure going very slow. The roads are slick. Here's what we're seeing here in Haverhill. The big thing is really the wind. Of course, that wet, heavy snow is coming down, but those wind gusts, they are brutal. About 40 miles an hour at their peak this morning. They were at 70. So that's really the issue we're seeing here in Haverhill. We know that their school system is on a 2-hour delay, and for good reason. The roads look like they were treated earlier. We've been out here for a few hours now. Haven't seen any progress, and that's the wind that I'm talking about, guys. So if you're headed up here, just be sure that you plan some extra time, stay safe, and stay off the roads if you can. We're live in Haverhill. I'm Kmitt, WBZ News.